So here's the side, like I said, just one of those pre-made potato mix box things. So I like these because they're pretty easy. We got our 3 ingredients here. So the first thing we actually need to do is boil the water. So I'll go ahead and do that. Gotta be careful with this part. Hot. Hot, very hot. So now comes time to be a mad scientist. So we start with our cheese pack, because you know, this is basically just mac and cheese but with potatoes. My poor whisk, what did they do to you? So of course this part's easy, we just mix everything together, add the potatoes in, and then put it in the oven for however long it asks for. I forgot to look. Would you like some cheese water? I like cheese water. This is literally a bag of potato chips. Who did this? Whose idea was it to bake potato chips and cheese sauce? Actually, that sounds kind of good. I guess we'll find out soon enough. Alrighty, that is it. We're ready to burn the house down. See you soon. It's time. Maybe I should get out my hand thingy first. Ugh. Just like Grandma used to make. Do you like me? Alright, well that's pretty much it for this. So if you like eating these, feel free to just shove your face in it and drown, because that's what I'm going to do. Touch out. Hopefully this makes these boxed potato things less scary looking, since they aren't that hard to make now that you see it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later.